Welcome to the free video support and tutorial library for KeepTrack facilities and equipment maintenance software. I'm Brad Critchfield, President of KeepTrack Corporation. I'm here to acquaint you with some of the features of our easy-to-use program. In KeepTrack, maintenance requests and logs are like work orders, but with several useful enhancements. The Logs module is where you create work tickets. While PMs are designed for routine and repetitive actions, maintenance requests and logs are for one-time and sporadic actions that are usually the result of an equipment failure. For instance, a water heater that breaks down and needs repair. Logs can also be used for a work project, remodels, or anything else you want to track and document work in history. To open logs, click Maintenance Request and Logs on the main menu of KeepTrack. The Logs Details section. The top left is the catalog and sublevels defining what the log is for and where it is located. Log ID is the number of the log. This is created automatically by KeepTrack when you make a new log. Status in KeepTrack shows you two things. One, status is the way to give a condition or a priority of a log, and two, if a log is opened or closed. Statuses are very important so you can tell at a glance the priority or condition of that log. This also allows you to use logs to track work-in-progress items. Suppose you had a water leak. The original status could be urgent safety. As the work progresses, you could add a status called ready for plumbing or inspection needed. Next is the author, time and date created, and assigned to for the person or craft or title you would like to have perform this log. Problem. This is what the issue or problem is. Also for using tags like production issue, customer request, or safety, so that you can later filter to just these logs if you like. Action. This is where you will put what action was taken to resolve the problem or issue. It could be as simple as one word, fixed, or could be a full description of all the details. However you would like your record keeping to be done. Sometimes a log involves several people and could span over a period of time. Every time an action is entered, the date and time and person are also added so that you can see easily who is doing what and when. Across the top, we have buttons for the various commands and options you can do in preventive maintenance. Create new for making new logs. Edit and append for changing and adding to logs. Reports and printing. This is for finding logs that are open, closed, logs with a specific criteria, getting reports for open logs, history, or completed logs, cost, hours, labor, and more. The individual reports are covered in detail in the next video. Parts used. This is if you'd like to remove parts from inventory and attach them as being used for this log. Cost, hours, and downtime. This is where you would put in the cost of the log, any hours you spent, and downtime if you'd like to track that. Documents and images. This is for making hyperlinks to items relevant to this log, possibly a PDF file, manual, spreadsheet, or pictures. Equipment information. If you have an equipment information record for this catalog item, then this button will be active. You can just click on it to go to that exact record to quickly get things like model and serial number. Change status. This is to change the log from open to close, as well as any condition while open. For example, some facilities like to name the status as colors to define urgencies. Others like to use priority. The choices are yours. Find ID is a drop-down to look up any particular log. Thank you for choosing KeepTrack Preventive Maintenance Software. We're here to help, and your feedback is invaluable to us in keeping the program up to date and is very much appreciated. If you have any questions or comments about the video tutorial or about KeepTrack facilities and equipment maintenance software, please feel free to call or email us. Let us help you keep track.